Should you be using a vacuum sealer for commercial packaging? Commercial vacuum packaging is an easy way to make your packaging process faster and more affordable. Vacuum sealers can be used to package a large variety of different products including food, medical products, electronics, tools, pillows and bedding, and so much more. Automated vacuum sealing systems help manufacturers save time and money by increasing output speeds and reducing labor costs. These machines are versatile and can make your packaging process virtually hands-free, allowing your employees to focus on other tasks. If you are looking for a cutting-edge commercial vacuum sealers, AMAC Technologies can help. Benefits of AMAC Technologies commercial vacuum sealing systems. Versatile. AMAC Technologies offers several different vacuum sealers for commercial packaging, including nozzle vacuum sealers, pouch filling machines, form fill seal machinery, chamber vacuum sealers, and more. No matter what your product is, AMAC Technologies can help you find a vacuum packaging solution. Fast. AMAC Technologies fully automated systems can produce at speeds of 60 units per minute. This is much faster output than can be achieved with traditional, manual packaging techniques, making your packaging process easier and more efficient. Affordable. With the machinery doing all the heavy lifting, you can virtually eliminate the need for manual labor. This makes your packaging process safer and more affordable, saving both time and money. The use of an automatic vacuum sealer for commercial packaging is an investment in your business that will pay for itself. Want to find a vacuum sealer for commercial packaging? If you need help finding an affordable, highly efficient vacuum sealer for commercial packaging, contact AMAC Technologies here. AMAC Technologies and their team of vacuum packaging experts are ready to help you find the best packaging solutions for your needs. Call today to speak with one of our specialists.